Well, hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Spoonful Omega fish oil. And as you know, I take a lot of fish oil. I take it in the morning and I take it at night before I go to bed. And this helps my heart and it helps function. It helps me function. It has 2,000 mega fish oils. It's 100 soft gels, and it is 600 mega omega-3. So this is a really good fish oil. So I got this to review, and I'm going to try it. And it's not a big pill either. Some of those fish oil pills are gigantic. So this is a nice pill. And it's a nice setting. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I will leave a comment of where to get it in the comment section. So I love you. Take care. Give it a thumbs up. God bless. Bye-bye.